Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making grape jam. Grape jam is hard to find in the shop as it is complex to produce. So if you make it at home, you will have a rare edible gift for your lucky ones. To make this jam, you can use any grapes, but this Concord grape is the best. It has an intense ruby colour and a delicate strawberry flavour. Their skin is easily removed by squeezing the grape. Concord grape is common in the USA, but not in Europe. In Europe, uva fragola lovers grow it in their garden. To make grape jam, you only need grapes and sugar. The quantities are in the description below. Come on, that is insane! Before you start, make sure you sterilize the jars. Remove the grapes from their pedestal and rinse them in fresh water. Grapes are a pain to prepare as you need to remove seeds and skin. You can use an electrical or manual vegetable strainer. It will automatically separate the pulp from the seeds. But it's very messy with grapes. Alternatively, you can remove the seeds manually, one grape at a time, which is fine if you don't have a life. Pour the juices and the sugar into a large pan and stir to dissolve the sugar. Simmer for about 2 hours until the jam is done. With a colander strainer spoon, remove the foam that forms on the surface. To check when the jam is ready, pour some drops on a plate. Tilt the plate, and if the juice doesn't drip, the jam is done. Do not overcook it, otherwise it will become too hard. Pour the jam into the sterilized jars and pasteurize them as recommended by the National Center of Home Food Preservation in the USA. For more information, you can find the link below. Place the jars into a large pan wrapped in a cloth to prevent them from breaking while boiling. The water level in the canner should be 1 to 2 inches, that's 2.5 to 5 centimeters, above the tops of the filled jars. The water should boil vigorously for 10 minutes. Let the jars in the water cool down overnight completely. You can eat immediately or store the jars for the winter. If you think the grape jam is too messy, you can try making grape jelly, although their consistency and taste are very different. For more savoury jam and jelly recipes, see the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. Oh, that was messy. I think you still have seeds stuck in your hair.